In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively set up and customize your open interest OI profile using a detailed configuration to enhance your trading strategy. We'll break it down into manageable steps, ensuring you have a complete understanding by the end of this tutorial. Let's start by choosing the session or look-back range. This step is crucial because it determines the period over which your OI profile will be generated. You'll want to select a time frame that best aligns with your trading goals, whether it's intraday, weekly, or longer-term analysis. Selecting the right range will contribute to an accurate representation of market interest and help you anticipate potential moves. Next, we delve into the OI profile mode. There are 3 modes to choose from. Mode 1 focuses solely on OI increases, highlighting where interest in the market is building. Mode 2 provides a more comprehensive view by showing both increases and decreases in OI, which can be useful for understanding general market sentiment. Mode 3 is more visual. It separates OI decreases to the left and increases to the right, offering a clear contrast between buying and selling interest. Enabling the Show OI Value Area option offers an insightful perspective by displaying the area where the bulk of OI activity occurred. This area can act as a significant range or support and resistance level, which traders often use to make strategic decisions. To keep your analysis neat and focused, the Show Session Box feature draws a rectangle around your chosen sessions or look-back periods. It's a visual aid that helps identify the time frame under study, distinguishing it from other periods on your chart. Toggle the Show Profile option to display or hide the OI profile, depending on how much information you need visible at any given time. Similarly, the option to Show Current Session allows you to track ongoing developments as they unfold. For clarity, you might want to show session labels. This feature helps identify each session by name, ensuring you're always aware of which session's data you're reviewing. Adjusting the resolution is key to determining how detailed your profiles will be. A higher resolution provides a more refined profile, albeit fewer profiles displayed on your chart, which might be ideal if you focus on specific, high-precision data points rather than broad overviews. Choosing the OI value area percentage is parallel to defining the VA in a volume profile. It's about focusing on significant interest areas, which could guide your strategy. If you notice large volatility spikes in OI, using the Smooth OI Data option helps level out these fluctuations, providing a clearer picture of average activity without distortion from outlier bars. Color choices are more than just aesthetics. They help differentiate data types at a glance. Pick a distinct color for both OI increase and OI decrease nodes in your profile to instantly spot rising or falling interest levels. Similarly, choose a color for the value area box and decide on the session box thickness to enhance visibility and distinction on your chart. By customizing these settings, you tailor the data presentation to align with your specific trading needs, ensuring a more effective market analysis.